For day 19 of the egg challenge, let's make these steamed egg cakes. I know the name steamed egg cake sounds a little funny, but it's really just a sweeter pancake in a cupcake shape. I'll also include the ingredients in the description below. After we whisk 2 eggs, let's add some sugar, milk, mix it some more, oil, and then mix it some more. This is gonna be a great arm workout. Lastly, we'll add the pancake mix and just do a little at a time. You really wanna make sure that you're not using too much pancake mix or else it'll be as hard as a brick. And once it's well incorporated, it should look something like this. I'm gonna transfer the batter to this measuring cup just to make it easier to pour, and we're gonna pour our batter into these silicone cupcake liners. You should be able to find them on Amazon or something like that for pretty cheap. Keep in mind that they will rise, so once they're about half full, we'll place them in 3 centimeters of boiling water, and be careful not to burn your hands. Once they're all in, we'll put them on low heat, put the lid on, and wait about 12 minutes. Oh my goodness, now this is a snack that'll impress your friends and family. So what video do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe for daily food videos from Japan.